Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Do you want to make your Mac's cursor easier to see and find, especially when you are recording tutorials or working with multiple screens? In this video, I will show you Cursorcerer for Mac, a simple utility that gives you more control over your mouse cursor visibility. Let's get started. Cursorcerer is a lightweight Mac utility designed to automatically hide your mouse cursor when you don't need it. This can be especially useful when watching videos, giving presentations, recording your screen, or working with a large display. Instead of manually moving the cursor away every time, Cursorcerer can hide it automatically after a short period of inactivity. To get started, search for Cursorcerer for Mac. First, open your browser and search for Cursorcerer for Mac and press enter. Now you can see here the Cursorcerer for Mac. Simply click on it. Now you can see here download button. Click on the download button. Close this pop-up and wait for the download process to be start. Cursorcerer is successfully downloaded on my Mac. Now let's install it. Double click on the Cursorcerer. Now you can see here the Cursorcerer preferences pane must be installed before you can use it. Do you want to install it now? Install for this user only, install for all users of this computer. Just select install for this user only, then click on the install button. Now you can see here the Cursorcerer interface. You can access it from clicking on the Apple logo, then go on system preferences. Now at the bottom you can see here Cursorcerer. Now click on the app. Now you can see here the interface of Cursorcerer. How to use this? Toggle cursor hotkey. This is the hotkey. Option plus control and plus K key. If you press option plus control plus K, as you can see the cursor is gone. You can't see the cursor. Just press control plus option plus K and that's it. Your cursor is removed. It is hide. Now if you want to take back your cursor, again just press control plus option and K. As you can see here the cursor. And there is another way. You can see here always show cursor if moved. As you can see it is ticked. If I untick it, I have to press control option K to hide and press control option K to make my cursor visible. But if I take this always show cursor if moved, when I press control plus option K it is hide, but when I drag the trackpad you can see here it is visible to me. Okay, as you can see here hide idle cursor after. You can see here the timer, you can set it according to your need. There are a few situations where Cursorcerer can be really useful. If you frequently watch videos, it can keep the cursor from blocking the content. If you create screen recordings, it can help keep your desktop looking cleaner. Okay? Overall, Cursorcerer is a simple utility that focuses on one specific problem, keeping your Mac's cursor out of the way when you don't need it. If you prefer a clean and distraction-free desktop experience, it's definitely worth checking out. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification for more Mac tutorial. Thank you for watching.